Slow. I'll be back with more for you in an hour.
Okay, thank you very much indeed, Orna.
With Bob Harris.
BBC Radio 2.
How wonderful to have you along. It's Bob Harris sitting in for Johnnie Walker for the next month. It's all coming up for you between now and 5 o'clock.
With Bob Harris.
BBC Radio 2.
Oh, this is an amazing thing, because right at the beginning of the programme, I'm sure you must have realised as we got started there, and I'm rambling along, that our whole VCS system, which brings the music into the studio for us, has crashed right at the beginning of the show.
With Bob Harris.
BBC Radio 2.
So I have my producer Lee in the studio with me, and he's currently fighting with the VCS system. And what we actually plan to do is just completely reboot it. I remember years ago, I mean, this is only, I say years ago, it's probably about 3 or 4 years ago, I borrowed an electric car for a weekend just to see what it was going to be like, and it was a disaster. The whole thing just set itself up. We seem to be okay now, but this is the whole thing about rebooting. This electric car just switched all the lights on, everything went on, the car didn't move at all. I had a queue of people building up behind me, and I'm thinking, what am I going to do? The way that you overcome a problem with the computer, generally speaking, is to shut it down and reopen it again. So I took the chance to take the key fob thing, walk away from the car with the key in the hope that the car would shut itself down, which, when I was about 100 yards away from it, it eventually did. So I was able to walk back to the car, put the key back in, and the car had rebooted and it restarted. And thank goodness that's what's happened to us.